In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Cash App Pay with Jotform so you can accept payments through your forms. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click Create, select Form, choose Start from Scratch and pick Classic Form. If you already have a form, simply open it in the Form Builder. In the Builder, click Add Element, then open the Payments section. Search for Cash App Pay and add it to your form. The payment settings will open on the right. Click Connect, enter a connection name if prompted, then select Connect with Square. Since Cash App Pay is processed through Square, you'll need to sign in to your Square account and authorize the connection. After the connection is complete, choose Test Mode if you want to test your form, or switch to Live Mode when you're ready to accept real payments. Next, select the payment type, such as Sell Products, and choose the currency you want to use. If you're selling products, add your items, set their prices, and review your payment settings. Finally, click Preview to test the checkout process, then publish your form when everything is ready. That's how to use Cash App Pay with Jotform. Thanks for watching.